In this video, I'll walk you through the general steps for setting up a Stripe Express account and what you can expect during the process. To begin, go to Stripe's website and sign in to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, open the Settings menu located in the left-hand navigation panel. Scroll down until you find the Product Settings section, then select Connect. Within the Connect area, you'll see different onboarding options available. Take a moment to choose the options that best match your needs. Stripe also offers helpful documentation if you're unsure about anything. After selecting your onboarding preferences, pick your country from the drop-down list and review any agreements or settings you need to confirm. Be sure you understand what each option means before checking any boxes. Once everything looks correct, review your information and click Save to apply your settings. And that's the basic overview of how the Stripe Express setup process works. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.